Here I've got OPPO A15 from 2020, and let me show you how to activate dial pad tones on the following device. So let's check if they are active or not. So as you can hear, they are muted, but if you would like to hear each digit, just open the settings, go to sound and vibration, scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on dial pad tone. Once the indicator is active, this feature is turned on. So if you would like to have this dial pad tone active, smoothly enter the sound and then you can activate them easily. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.